Forests are pretty cool, huh? Something about the trees, and the grass, and everything, the air. Perfect. But all is not well in the kingdom of the Fraxis, or ash tree for the layman. But now an intruder with malicious intent descends upon the ash tree, threatening what was once great. A creature capable of such volatile actions could only be contained in one body type, slender and green. The threat that the EAB, or Emerald Ash Borer, poses is the destruction of 8 billion ash trees. This is a big deal because ash trees are the most common tree planted in inner cities that stop rainwater runoff from going down the sewer, saving the city money. It also helps with carbon pollution by taking in carbon and making oxygen, but we've all learned that in the 3rd grade. To understand the EAB takeover here in the States, we must first understand where the EAB originally came from. They come from places where the forests are equally as beautiful as ours. Places such as Japan, China, and Korea. The widely accepted theory of how the Emerald Ash Borer got to the United States is that it was shipped over with products coming from China, Japan, and Korea in the wooden crates that they came in. The Emerald Ash Borer then found itself out of the crate and into a brand new ecosystem, destroying any ash tree that it came upon ever since. There are many methods that are being tested to rid ash trees of the Emerald Ash Borer. These methods include tree quarantine, tree removal, and insecticides. In the tree quarantine method, the trees that have EAB are quarantined, as in the name, kept away from other ash trees so the Emerald Ash Borer doesn't spread. In the tree removal method, trees that have EAB are removed. The removed trees can be turned into furniture or mulch to grow newer trees. The insecticide method puts away with all this nonsense with moving and quarantining trees and gets straight to the point. It soaks trees in an insecticide that will kill the EAB if they're in it or they come into contact with it. The problem with the insecticide, especially, but all of these methods, is that they're very costly to a city. The money doesn't come out of nowhere and the services cost a lot of money to do. This realization has led to another theoretical method of letting the ash trees perish and letting a new tree come and take their place, as happens in nature. Another way to control the Emerald Ash Borer threat would be to introduce a predator to the Emerald Ash Borer. Studying the Emerald Ash Borer, we can start to construct a defense against any other invasive species. That defense being, of course, planting a wide variety of trees, so that if one tree is targeted and wiped out, the other trees will still be there to perform their duties.